Ductless Secrets Revealed, brought to you by the Heat Pump Store. Understanding the defrost function is perhaps the most important thing to know about your ductless heat pump. Heating during near-freezing outdoor temperatures will cause the coil on the outdoor unit to develop frost. Don't worry, your ductless heat pump will defrost automatically. During defrost mode, the indoor fan stops and a light on the indoor unit may come on and/or start blinking. This is normal. Do not override or interrupt this function. After a few moments, you may hear unusual sounds come from the indoor unit. This is normal. After about 5 to 10 minutes of defrost function, normal heating operation will resume. For more great tips on using your ductless heat pump, like or follow the Heat Pump Store.